Guys, I know exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video, guys. Oh, yes. Yes. Lumber Tycoon 2. I found ice wood, and I know where zombie wood is. Yes. I know. Ice wood. So you come over to the wood or a store, you know? You drive past the wood drop-off place. Yep. And then you'll come over here, and there's that hill. You want to go up that hill. Up that hill. Oh, yeah. I don't know how to unflip a car, but, you know. So, yeah. Ice wood is insane. So, I took one small ice tree, and I had 305 money. And look what it did. It almost gave me 3,000. So that's 2,800. So once you get past those rocks, or there should be some rocks there, you come out here, turn this way, go through here. And you might be thinking, hey, David, me boy, you're going to the cabin. You are right. Icewood is near the cabin. Actually, right up there. That's on the way to get Icewood. Oh, yeah. So, you find this ramp, go up it, turn around, and loop right back. Like, right up this other place. So there's a ramp right up, a ramp right up here. You're gonna go up that. I know, it seems like a lot of ramps. Honestly, it is. So, I got really frustrated trying to do this because it seems like it's impossible to get a car up there, but I'm gonna try. And it's probably gonna flip over like the last two cars did. So you come up here and you're gonna come up this ramp. I know, more ramps, it seems crazy. It seems like I'm leading you up to nowhere. But watch, this is not clickbait. And maybe they updated it so it might be clickbait, but please.
Depending on how far it is from when you watch it.
Yeah, depending on how far it is from when I published it to when you watch it, they might have updated it, taken Icewood out of the game, but really, this isn't clickbait. Okay. So you go down this ramp. No! No! No!
That they tried to show you.
That doesn't work. I don't have a tailgate. Please.
Oh well, just
Please.
the hard way.
Dang it. Okay, well, you go down the ramp. I'm gonna make this easier on you guys. And I'm there. So, I went down that ramp, and you come around here. And then you go that way. What the heck? I was just here. What? Yeah, you come down here and go there. There's the cabin. And then you're gonna, Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go back. I need to get back there. I'll see you when I'm back there. Sorry that my car flipped over, guys. I mean, it kind of makes it more interesting, but
You'll have to wait.
you'll have to wait. I mean, you don't really have to wait too long. It's just, for me, it takes forever. I was going wrong. Okay, so I don't know where I was. Whew. I didn't want to go off that edge. But eventually you'll come around here. And this is the part where I get frustrated.
There's only one person I know who calls this town atrocity. You think it's really funny, huh?
It's really hard to get your car over this. And if I do it, that's the first time I've ever done it. Yes. Oh! Tap joys. I got my car up that.
And now the next frustrating part.
Okay. Good. Don't lose the car, me boy. Please don't lose
the
it.
car, me boy.
Don't lose it. Yes!
Next time you lose the car, say don't kill the cats.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Really? Yeah, you've got to be kidding me. There we go. So this is actually the best wood I've ever gotten before. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is the best wood ever.
What can I say? Old habits die hard.
Ah, yes. Yo, this is the best wood I have ever gotten before. Ever. Where did I want to it? So, this is crazy. Best wood I've ever gotten before. This is so awesome! Anyway, first time I've ever got my car up here. That is a major accomplishment for me because even though it didn't seem that hard, that was ultra hard. Ultra hard. Oh, one shot.
Don't worry, I have you above zero. I think.
Do you play Lumber Tycoon too?
I found ice wood. It's worth more than zombie wood. And I'm pretty sure it's worth more than gold wood.
I
But-
didn't do that.
Huh?
I didn't do that.
Yes, he did. It's all his fault.
You guys might take the dishes, put it in the sink or something.
Whoa! What happened there? Guys, this isn't.
Funny, I guess destiny is not the path given to us. The path we choose for ourselves.
Brain boxer.
Okay, hold on. So, once you cut it, see there's a little hole right there, you're just gonna drive straight down there, just whoop, and I'll see you at the bottom of the ramp. You're gonna have to, so you're gonna come out of that hole, you drive through there, or, you know, and you drive straight down here. I am getting my wood currently, so, yeah. There we go. So, yeah, I'm back at the cabin, and you're just gonna go back there and go to your place. You guys are gonna watch me so awesome. There's my property. To the wood store. Okay. So, I got this. Look at this block. Look how much money it's gonna make me. Yeah! Tons of money. Tons of it. So, you know what? How much money I started with. And, yeah. How much I end with is gonna be insane. I'm trying to save up for the best song, which I think I'm like halfway there. I earned over 3,000. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna end with over 7,000. Let's go. Dang it. Well, that's...
Go get some.
Yeah, let's go get some rice wood, and actually, let's just fill up my trailer in 3, 2, 1, and I'm showing someone how to get ice wood. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Goodbye guys.